Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a review on the Kiko Milano application to a particular product that you have already tried out. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the shop button to search for a product. Select a category such as makeup, skincare, then a subcategory, then search for a product, tap on it. After that you should scroll down and click on the reviews button, marked with a pink underlining. Here you can check out the reviews, then click on a write a review button at the bottom of the screen, then type in your name, type in the title, and write a review, a description, and if you are done, click on the send review button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.